Yes, it's me, and we're going to Zoom again. To Zoom or not to Zoom? That is the question. Whether you Zoom for playing bingo or whether you Zoom with your pants off. Gandhi says that it's easy to stand in a crowd, but it's hard to stand alone. COVID says it's easy to stand alone, but hard to stand in a crowd. We're going to get together and have December 17th at 1 o'clock. There'll be some writing about this. And the Pope and Biden and Trump are together in front of a crowd. And the Pope says, with the wave of my hand, I can make the whole crowd jump with joy and remember this for the rest of their lives. And Biden and Trump says, let's see you do it. So he slaps them both. We're going to put together a program for you that is going to help, and you're going to learn from that. So join us December 17th at 1 o'clock. We'll Zoom together. And we'll have the little chimes with us too. Remember, love thy neighbor loves you.